review of the Smith & Wesson 30-piece screwdriver set, and this is a very inexpensive item. I think I paid $13 for it. It's magnetic, it's extremely useful. I've got my Smith & Wesson Model 625 revolver in the background just as a nice backdrop. But this thing just has all the bits and pieces. They just seem to fit all the screws on any firearm that you find. You know, if you're replacing the grips, you're doing any kind of gunsmithing, this is a fantastic product. It's cheap, you know, it's magnetic. What more can you ask for? Buy it. I say get it. Get one. You'll like it.